This girl is filling a pink color into a hairdryer and then carefully applying the color with a cloth to clean it. She also stains the nearby towel with red color and hangs it nearby to wipe her face, as her sister has gone to take a shower in the bathroom. When the girl comes out of the shower, she has no idea that her older sister has filled the hairdryer with color. The girl continues with her work, unaware. Then she is about to use the hairdryer to dry her hair. But what happens next with the girl is so shocking that it will leave you stunned. But before you see it, there's a choice: money or parents. Who would you prefer? If you prefer parents, like this video and subscribe to the channel. In the end, as soon as the girl used the hairdryer to dry her hair, her whole face turned red.